everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a fall nail tutorial. This is gonna be the last fall nail tutorial that I will do here on YouTube because I want to move towards winter and Christmas. So here is my little tray where I put everything that I'm gonna work with today. I got this tray at Dollar Tree only for $1. And usually I put everything here so that way it's easier for me to have everything in one place and work the video. So today I'm going to use a combination of products. I'm going to use the brand Young Nails. I love their Speed line. So I have the Speed Clear. I also have different acrylics from Young Nails. They're colorful ones. I do have this beautiful top coat which is amazing. I got in the nail boxy box. And I do have Swarovskis and a mix of glitters. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm just going to use probably like two of them, but I just want to have them there just in case I change my mind. So, and I'm also using the clear acrylic from the brand, I think it's called Piqué. They are on Instagram, and I also did a video using their brand, and Hali suggested it. It's very good acrylic, very good quality. Young Nails products, I got them on Black Friday last year and I fall in love with the brand. Never used it before. So last year I bought the mystery box for $100 and it got a lot of stuff. And this year I'm gonna also buy it again. They have three different ones, so stay tuned for that because I will record a video when I get the box when the sale goes on. So check them out. Highly recommend it. If you are new doing nails, I don't recommend you use the speed line because it dries really fast. They also have a line that it don't dry that fast. It's called the core acrylic line. So I like better the speed one. I have both and I love them both, but I like to work fast. This tray with the maple leaf, I got it at Dollar Tree and it's for candles. Can you guys believe that? But look how pretty it looks in the video. So I'm also using the Young Nails acrylic number 12 brush, which is amazing. And this one I purchased separate. It didn't came on the Black Friday sale, so this one was separate. And I really like it. I find myself reaching out more to this brush than my other brushes. And I do have a lot. I have new ones that I have to try. So you guys will see on the next video me trying different acrylic brushes. If you guys want me to do a video talking about acrylic brushes, let me know and I can go from preparation all the way to which ones are the best and what to look when you buy an acrylic brush. So to start a video, I start using two types of glitter. I do have the fine glitter and I also have the kind of like a bigger glitter, like the hexagon glitter. So this fine glitter, I got it at Dollar Tree. Very cheap, guys. It's a pack of four, I think, for $1. And the other one is for a website called Pear Glitter Shop. They do have amazing glitters, stickers, and sometimes they do a sale where they put all their stickers 99 cents, which I did a video on that. I think it's the last whole video that you guys complained that the light was bad. That one. And by the way, on that video, I recorded on that part of my studio because I wanted to try, but the light was bad, I agree. But it was just to try. I'm not gonna record in that area. I like to bring videos where you like this one. Look at how cool this video looks. The light is perfect. So that was just a try, and because I was trying to find a way to record where you guys can see what I'm grabbing, like the packages and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what happened. So going back to this video, so what I did, I put a little bit of glitter at the tip, took it halfway. I didn't want to put it all over the nail because it's kind of like a number look that I'm going for. And now I'm grabbing the white speed acrylic from Young Nails and doing pretty much more than half of the nail. And these don't have to be perfect. Remember, I do my videos in a way that it's easier for you guys to recreate the looks or do something similar. I like to do videos where you guys can say I can do that, versus videos that you like, there's no way I can do that. It's pretty, I like it, but there's no way I can do that. I don't know if you guys get my point, but here I'm just putting the white acrylic, making sure that it don't flood the cuticle area. I'm always cleaning on the sides, and with this acrylic, I have to work really fast. So because it dries, I think it's like it dries in 15 seconds, something like that. I don't remember. But I really like it. They're very pigmented and they're one of my favorite brands. So what I'm planning to do is, let's see, I'm gonna draw a deer, and I'm gonna use these Born Pretty gel polishes, which are pretty. I think I painted the deer too dark, but I didn't realize that. But it ended up looking great, in my opinion. So this is another trick that I show you guys on one of my videos. It's where I grab a pencil and I draw whatever I want to draw on my nails. And one thing I forgot to tell you guys on the other video that I did this is, don't worry about the pencil lines, because you can, once you cure your gel polish, you can use alcohol and you can wipe it off, and then the pencil line will go away. So don't worry about that. I just do it in a way to trace what I'm gonna do on the nail, so that way I can follow it. If you are really good at drawing things on nails, you don't need to use the pencil. Let's just put it that way. You just use the brush. That's it. But I don't think I'm really, really, really good. I always like to sketch what I'm gonna do and then follow it. So that's what I did here. So I'm just gonna paint this whole thing in this brown color, and then I'm gonna do the ears, and of course I'm gonna paint a little ball in color black just to do the nose of the deer, and I'm gonna follow up with black color. Okay. Another very, very important tip is that make sure you cure once you're done with something. Like I painted the whole thing brown, right? Then I cure in the lamp with I will say 60 seconds, and then I went back and did another thing like the ears, the black, the horns, whatever I was doing, and then I cure. Because if you don't cure in between and you mess up something, you have to start over again. So that's a good thing about using gel polish. You can do whatever, draw whatever, cure, come back, cure, and come back. Okay. And I decided to put a little bit of glitter to make it look pretty, to make it pop a little bit. And to be honest with you, it turned out looking beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna use these Swarovskis that I got a while back before they took them out of the market. And I'm gonna put a little bit of glue, and I'm gonna put my Swarovski in the center, and I'm gonna repeat that on the index finger, and I'm gonna do the same thing. And look how shiny these beautiful rhinestones are. And I'm using a nail dryer spray right here, nail glue dryer, I'm sorry. just to make the glue dry way quicker. Highly suggest to use the spray. It will keep your rhinestones in place and they will dry faster. If you don't have that, don't worry, use construction gel. That will help your rhinestones stick longer as well. Don't use top coat to put rhinestones on the nail because they won't last. And remember, guys, I told you that I've been practicing how to do 3D. So I've been practicing and I think I'm getting better each time. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do petals. I'm gonna do flowers and petals on the nails that I have, the Swarovskis, and also on the, I think on the pinky, I did like one petal, and on the big finger as well. To finish this look, I'm gonna grab one of my top coats. This one came in the nail boxy box a while back. I really love this top coat. I don't like putting top coat around on top of my rhinestones or on top of my 3D because it looks horrible. I'm sorry, but if you put top coat on your Swarovskis, you're gonna ruin the shine. And if you put top coat on your 3D, it's gonna look horrible. I mean, that's my opinion. That's my opinion. Let me know in the comments if you do, but I don't like it. I don't like to put top coat when I do like flowers and things like that. But this top coat is amazing, amazing for stickers, amazing for when you do glitter like this. It seals and protect your look. I really like this top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it turned out very cute. I like the deer. I think this is a transition from fall to winter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And we are close. We're getting there to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited, guys. I have something good planned once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So stay in the look for that. Um, Christmas videos are coming. If you have any suggestion about Christmas video, leave it in the comment section. I will be reading them. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will be reading your comments and I'll see you guys on my next video. And if I don't see you, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Enjoy with your family and friends. And I'll see you later. Bye.